Hey, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll be sharing another simple recipe. It's a cinnamon roll casserole with blueberries. I like to make these on Sunday mornings or for brunch. It's a nice way to dress up a simple can of cinnamon rolls. This is easy to make and it tastes really good. Stay tuned for the recipe. I'll start off by melting my butter and cutting up my cinnamon rolls. I'll grease the bottom of my baking dish and then cut the cinnamon rolls up into small pieces. I'm adding in some blueberries. And then I'm going to make my custard. Adding this custard is going to make the cinnamon rolls nice and moist. You can add 1 to 2 eggs for 1 can of cinnamon rolls. I only add 1. I've set my oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Once I've thoroughly mixed the ingredients, I'll pour the custard over the cinnamon rolls. And then bake it uncovered for about 30 to 35 minutes. You can make your own icing, but I just use the icing that comes in the can of cinnamon rolls. I warm it up a little bit and then drizzle it right on top. Well, alright you guys, that is it for today's video. Comment below if you've ever made this before or if you plan on giving this a try. And if you like simple recipes like this, go ahead and check out my playlist right here. Thanks for watching. Bye.